Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Firebase Authentication multi-factor for app privacy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Firebase project set up in the Firebase console. Navigate to the Authentication section in the Firebase console. Click on the Sign In Method tab to configure your authentication settings. Enable the multi-factor authentication option in the settings. Choose the primary sign-in method you want to support, such as email/password or phone authentication. Next, navigate to the Users tab to manage user accounts. Add or edit a user to enable multi-factor authentication for their account. Make sure to set up a secondary authentication method, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Save the user changes and ensure they have access to both authentication methods. In your app's code, implement Firebase Authentication SDK to integrate multi-factor authentication. Use the Firebase Authentication API to initiate the sign-in process for your chosen primary method. On successful sign-in, check if multi-factor authentication is required for the user. If prompted, request the user to provide their secondary authentication method. Verify the secondary method using Firebase's verification APIs. Once verified, grant access to the app's features and resources. Implement proper error handling to manage any authentication failures effectively. Test the entire authentication flow thoroughly to ensure seamless user experience. Finally, consider adding user education about the importance of multi-factor authentication for added privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.